Welcome, this is Brandon with Show Chrome Accessories to introduce another brand new item for the 2019 and newer Can-Am Ryker models. This particular product is going to be the black Commander board. This Commander board is 6 1/4 inches long by 4 inches wide and features a rubber inlay with 3 highlighted accents in the center of the board. These Commander boards also feature an anti-rotation setting which allows you to set and lock the specific or desired angle for greatest rider comfort. If you have any further questions with regards to these Commander boards, please feel free to look us up online at www.bigbikeparts.com. While you're there, you can check out the dealer locator section. You can also give us a phone call at 888-BIG-BIKE and like us on Facebook as well as Instagram to stay up on all these new items. Thank you for watching and safe riding.